it works.
They're just so froze up right now. Both of them.
Hey guys, Kapper here, and if you watched our 8-acre Picker Paradise series, you'll definitely want to check this one out. It's our second pretty good update on one of those machines there. So today I'm getting an update from Keegan. He's the one that bought the international tow truck that was in tree jail. So let's take a quick look on updates from Keegan. Thanks a lot. We're going to start back here behind this. Here's a quick before look of the old international tow truck. Curtis is going to... Chainsaw, break this thing free. Next time, maybe we'll buy next time. Okay.
The wrecker has bailed out of tree jail, posted bond, and is going home.
Okay, now let's get the updates from Keegan. He's been messaging me pictures and short video clips. There's not a ton of it here, but I'll put it in order so you can see the will it start and of course the rest of the updates. So let's check it out. Also, congratulations Keegan. I'm really looking forward to when you get this thing up and running because it'll be pretty amazing.
They're just so froze up right now. Yeah. Where? Both of them. Front's moving, back's moving. They're both moving. Look at that back. Here's the back. Listen. No.
Where's fourth at? Alright, we are in fourth now. She's running mint, buddy. Hope the radio works. Neutral. I'm gonna floor it. I think it's got timing issues. Oh yeah, roll carbon like diesel, right? Alright, let's see what this does. Holy f***, it works! Hell yeah! Buddy, I'm winching f***ing cars out tonight. What's this do? Go rev it up a little bit. Turn the key off. Shut the motor off, dude.
There is no.
What? You lost the key to it? Alright, we'll pull the wire. I did get new booms for it, new pulleys. Those pulleys were locked up.
Alright, that was just a quick recap from the last update. So today I got a few more clips from Keegan. It's August 1st, 2022. Hope you enjoy them, and I'll see you on the next video.
But we're still losing pedal. Let's see, I had to run all new line to it. It's got 69 F250, 350 pads in the rear because I couldn't find crap for international. Like I said, that side was missing everything. So here's what we're at right now. Also, I thought the rubber hose would be good. No, rubber hose is clogged, so just bypassed it. But I do have rear brakes now, but I don't have front still. So I'm gonna work on it again tomorrow.
Have a flat tire, buddy.